So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-login ng account sa ating GCash app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na meron na kayong account sa GCash. So dapat naka-register na yung inyong phone number. So kapag meron na kayong GCash app guys, and hindi pa naka-login, i-open lang natin yung ating GCash app. So, pwede kayo mag-download nito guys sa Google Play Store. Search lang yung GCash and then install. So, ayan guys, pagka-open ng GCash, automatic ganito yung lalabas. So, kailangan ilagay natin yung ating registered 11-digit mobile number ng ating GCash. So, lagay nyo lang yung inyong phone number na naka-register sa GCash. And then, after nyo may lagay yung inyong 11-digit phone number, tap lang natin yung next. And may magsasend na OTP code sa ating 11-digit mobile number. So, check lang natin guys yung ating inbox or yung ating messages. So, dun yung makikita yung 6-digit code na sinend sa atin ni GCash. So, ayan guys, may nag-text na. So, lagay lang natin yung code 871264. So, ayan guys. And ayan, after nyo may login yung inyong account, ganito yung lalabas. So, lalagay nyo lang guys dito yung inyong 4-digit PIN. So, dapat tandaan nyo yung inyong PIN bago kayo makapag-login ng account dito sa GCash. So, ilagay nyo lang yung PIN. And ayun guys, after may lagay yung PIN, automatic mabubuksan na yung ating GCash account. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-login sa ating GCash. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!